Hello friends, welcome to WordPress complete course. In this video I am going to show you that how you can delete categories in WordPress. So let's get started. First go to post. Then select categories. After that you will see your all categories, which you have created before. Now if you want to delete, just move the cursor hovers on the categories, a few options get displayed below the category name. Click on delete button. When you click on delete, you will get a pop-up message asking for confirmation to delete the particular category. You can click on OK button and delete the category permanently. So this is how you can delete categories in WordPress. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.